Hi, welcome to Woodlands Secondary School's e-Open House. I'm Mrs. Tay, the principal of the school. Woodlands Secondary has always been a hope-building school of the community since its inception in 1982. We are a school that enables success for all Woodlanders. We believe in giving our students the very best we can so that they will believe that they can. In Woodlands Secondary, we provide a myriad of opportunities to expose and nurture our students. And that becomes the starting point for many to develop and discover their interests and strengths. The hope, the care, and the support provides the right environment for you to flourish into gifts to society. You will grow your own passion, you will serve, you will contribute, and you will inspire. You will flourish into gifts who never gives up because you have enduring hearts. And you will flourish into gifts whose creative minds ensures that society's needs are met. This is a year of lost opportunities, with many programs cancelled or postponed. However, the care we have for our students drives us to think innovatively how we can make education as wholesome and as holistic for you. Now, do take time to go on a virtual tour of the school and find out for yourself how, despite COVID, your learning will not be shortchanged. What a typical school day is like, and what is learning like in our classes and CCs. So, explore and find out more about our school. Enjoy! For our students, so how? Start again. Okay.